Thank you, Kat.
Isuklen mo ako. Dahil naman wala.
Paano mo ba ka? Nabihingan sa
Langani.
Kulang talaga po. Gcash mo na sa Gcash mo na. Balik ka na lang sa kanya. Wala nga. Sila wala. Pagbayad mo yun. Wala ka na lang. Balik ka na lang. Sabay kami lang.
Just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories kept crashing through. Here I just can't go on without you.
Ayawan niya na ba yan?
And no
Wala yelo?
Ito meron.
Sade, ready ka na ha? Puro kayo konti.
Let you down.
Ayan, misa. Ay, ade, bilis ade, ina.
The way I was.
Ayan na. Sino? Hey.
My heart is so disguised. I just can't live anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you
Start, let's start.
cry. There's nothing left to say. But
Okay, misa.
Ganda ka na yan.
Misa.
Ayaw ko naalala ko basta mo dyan.
Huh?
Ayaw ko dyan.
Ayun na, misa na. Miss Jess, ayun na, Miss Jess. Ay, Miss Jess.
would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Though it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodnight.
Misa.
I came to you and never asked too much. Wondering what you'd say, hoping you'd understand.
Oh, alam niya, ano, ah?
The role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's in the past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you having you near me.
Kami na chorus ka naman.
Near me.
Ay, nakaisat lagi na tatapat.
Pahinga muna na lang muna, Miss Jess.
Never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight. It feels so right. Feeling so right.
Sakto kay Luz.
Yun. Tayo na yan sa lugar.
Yan pa rin ba yun?
Oo.
Ano yung ibon niya?
Sumayaw.
You're awesome! we go!
Nasa traffic. Naging wise. Ay, naging wise. Naging actress pala. Oo, parang kaya sasabi mo. Sabi, pina-apply mo. Hindi na wala yung pamilya.
Next ka na. Distansya, distansya. Ay, tapos na. Swerte ah.
Hindi, ang